Hi Capricorn, this is your monthly reading for the month of May. I'm going to look at your energies which will be coming to you in this month, which is May 2025. This reading is for the sun sign of Capricorn and the ascendant sign. So let me look at your external situation, something that is impacting you at this time. So the Knight of Cups is in the external situation. This could be a person, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, someone who is bringing in charm and love. And in terms of your career, this can mean an offer is coming to you, or you could be moving towards artistic or creative endeavors. So some good news is coming towards you, which is going to enhance you, upgrade you. So with the strength and the Two of Cups, you are in a compassionate mode and also an unison mode. So basically you will be going towards a new beginning, but you have to display your courage and patience in this time period. So a new beginning with the Two of Cups will eventually happen in the month of May. That is what is predicted. You have to bring your courage to the fore, and even if you could be in two minds regarding something, it is asking you to choose the new beginning. So in this, at this point, when you start the month of May, you could be healing after a situation of a setback or something that you have to leave behind. So with the Five of Cups, you are still looking at the past situation where you could not achieve something, or where you could have gone through a loss situation. So you are still staring behind, but with the healing card of Temperance, you will be gradually shifting into the direction of getting better and improving on a situation that was not so good for you. So you could have had been in a situation where you were clinging on to what is near and dear to you, or your status quoist approach with the Four of Pentacles. But what is happening is, with the Three of Wands, you might be looking towards an external situation that is bringing in a return of your work. So what are the returns which are coming in? So something that you have invested in will be giving you some opening up from a situation that was carrying on for a long time. It was a status quoist energy, and you were hanging on to your pennies, your income, your lifestyle, because nothing was changing and you were getting comfortable with it because you were getting by. But now something is coming with the Three of Wands, that is a new situation. It is the result of your hard work and you will be rewarded for that. And with the Ten of Pentacles, this could be affecting if you take up, or if you can expect the new situation, or you accept the new situation, which is definitely coming in 99.9%, your Ten of Pentacles will improve. So what is Ten of Pentacles? Ten of Pentacles is something you create for your next generation, you create for your family. This is a long term situation of money and security coming to you. So there is a possibility that you will be leaving a situation that in which you were getting by, a status quo, and now you are moving towards a change that is coming to you, and you have manifested this energy with the a magician coming to clarify this. You have manifested this new situation for yourself, and you have been thinking about this new thing where you are expecting great returns. So this is coming to you, and the universe will aid you to get there, and you have the ability. So what is coming to you is an option situation. You will be getting one or more choices in this time period, which is about a job, it is about a love situation, it is about living situation, whatever is on your mind, there will be a choice. So what you need to do with the Queen of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands approach, you have to be practical, you have to nurture and care for whatever is the new and what is present. And with the Queen of Wands, you will take a necessary action, and that is of willpower, that will be affected by your willpower and determination, and you will be moving towards your mastery in something or moving towards a new opportunity in life. But you are also keeping your feet grounded, you are not going to take any reckless decision. That is what I am saying. So you will be in combination of the Queen of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. These energies will make you bold and practical in this time period. So nothing will be done in the air. Everything will be done with energy and with practicality. That is what I am seeing. And Magician will be aiding you in this time period. This is all square energy from the universe, and all the elements will be in they will be combining to give you a great result. And this is what you have manifested so far, and it is going to fructify the dreams that you have. So in terms of your work, what you have been going through was a heartbreak. You have gone through a setback. You have gone through something that had failed. But then you made a strategy. You made some tactical decisions that I will do this. And with this Seven of Swords, you are going to get out of any difficulty. That is what I am seeing in terms of your career. With the 10 of Wands and 9 of Wands, you are almost exhausted in a certain situation, but you are still not giving up. You are thinking of ways and means how to make a good this bad situation good. So you are trying to explore options to or make plans how to get over a certain situation that gave you a loss. Now you are making some efforts, but that is exhausting you. So what is coming to you in this time period in the month of May is the Empress and the Queen of Wands once again. So Queen of Wands sometimes in work situation shows us opportunity that you need to embrace. So whether it is in a current job situation or whether it is a new job situation. Why I am saying new job is because of the presence of Empress and the Queen of Wands together. So something of a something new or a launch of a new situation could be happening in your business or in your job, and this could be something which has more abundance, which has more beauty in it, and which has a promise of growth in your work situation. And angels are asking you to make a decisive action in this time period with your boldness, with the Queen of Wands energy, finding that purpose, that passion to move towards this great opportunity which is going to start for you and which is going to be a long-term situation of growth. So some nurturing, caring of a new situation, a planting of seeds will be done for a long-term future in terms of your work, money, career and finance. So you could be making up your mind, not doing an action immediately, but in the month of May you could be in a situation whether to do this or whether to do that. Some of you could be doing 2 jobs at a time, and you are not in favor of giving up in a situation which has shown you some losses, but you want to create a new energy, a tactical work situation where you could be tiding over a past work and you could be embracing a new work. So there is this possibility coming to you, and there is a possibility of a new situation, a new launch in this time period. In terms of your love life, you are on the verge of investigating a new situation in your love. You could be, so there are new energy cards here with in your work situation it is the Empress and the Queen of Wands, and in your love situation it is the Magician. So whatever you will decide in this time period in your mind, and whatever you want to see, you will see that fructify. So if you are going through some disagreements or challenges in your love or close relationships, you are on the verge looking at it, spying at it, waiting for things to change. So you could be waiting for or gathering more information about a love situation or a relationship, and with the Magician energy, communications will improve. There will be an intellectual approach towards solving love or partnership situations at this time, and you could be looking towards renewal or manifesting a new situation in your love life. So whether it is the old one where you are renewing or renewing your vows maybe, or whether you are starting to make arrangements to in a new love situation or a marriage or a engagement, it is going to happen. So bring that thought in your mind and that positive approach towards visualization of your partnership that will happen for you, Capricorn. So the month of May looks good with the arrival of Magician here, and month of May looks good in terms of your general life because Magician will affect that also. So there could be a partnership between you and a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So there is a possibility of a association with a Taurus or a Libra as well. So it could be with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn as well. So you could be making new association, new partnership, new beginning, a renewal is coming to you because of your good communication, courage, compassion, good thinking in this time period, and your attitude of not giving up on failures and working on them to redo them or renew them. That is what is going to work for you. You will be rewarded for that. So your outcome is the Death and the Justice. So something which was not working, something which was not coming to you is coming at this time, but with it will bring a transformation in your life. It is asking you to not look towards the what has been past and not be in some kind of the bottom of the deck is showing the Four of Cups, the bottom of the deck is showing Four of Swords, a kind of frozen energy in your life at this time, that the offer that is coming to you from the divine, you are not looking at it. You have to look at it. That is what your outcome is saying. Remove what is over and what is past. Maybe it is difficult for you to leave that, but because of your courage and your not giving up attitude, you don't want to leave something which is not working for you, but you got to leave it. That is what the angels are saying with the Justice card, because what is coming to you is something which will be over when the balance of scales happen in your life. So the balance of scales are happening because you are trying to manifest a new fair situation in your life, and the fair situation, when it comes to you, you will have to give up on the old and start something or renew something in this time period. You will be in the King of Pentacles avatar. That is someone who attracts new lucrative proposals, someone who is a bit non-emotional, someone who is planted deeply in their throne, someone who is immovable. So you will come into this avatar and you will be very, very strong. With the Eight of Pentacles, you will be embracing some new energy or redoing, reworking, correcting, and also embracing new situations on which you will work hard or you will learn something new. That is the approach that I am seeing in this time period for you, Capricorn. So there is a possibility that you will have to leave an old job for a new contract. You have to leave an old court case because you will be almost winning in that. So basically you have to leave what has passed in the past and move towards your new situation, which is looking good, and it is going to give you a finality or a formal new situation in your life. So let's read out the Lenormand for you for the month of May. Card number 25, the ring card, comes for you, Capricorn. This is talking about solid relationship, imminent marriage for some of you, advantageous contract coming to you. So before accepting a firm proposal, demand clarity from yourself and others. So you are on the verge of making a fundamental emotional choice, but you are still feeling optimistic and confident about your feelings. A pleasant novelty will ease a difficult situation. That is, if you are stuck or challenged in making a decision, some pleasant novelty will ease your difficult situation. Advantageous contracts will come to you, tempting business opportunities. You will be victorious at every hurdle. So in terms of your job or money situation, with the help of those who love you, you have made progress. Some of you have graduated. Presently, good understanding in both family and couple will stimulate you to give best at your work, and you will triumph over difficulties. Good news will ease a standstill in your career situation, and a advantageous, like I said, a contract will come to you. Growing professional role, career will be at apex. Well remunerated functions are overall for every Capricorn. In terms of money, material comfort is coming to you. Your money situation will improve. Your triumph over difficulties in terms of money will happen. Wealth will come to you. Increasing happiness in terms of your money or wealth is happening. In terms of your emotions, growing feelings, well-founded hope, wedding could be imminent in the family. An extraordinary event will clarify doubts regarding the person you love. Good news will put your life out of stagnation, and a partner will make the decision you hoped for. So very, very good situation coming for you in the month of May, Capricorn. Wish you all the best. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through any difficulty can contact me through the email ID in the description box. Description box is just below this video. You will find my email. Write to me. I will tell you how to book my readings. Otherwise, this space is free. You can keep watching the videos which I post for you periodically. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.